Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you some easy skills and you can earn easy money through it. So guys, let's go to Fiverr and let's check that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So today I will teach you how you can create wedding invitation design and sell this skill on Fiverr. So here write wedding invitation 3400 plus result means this is a low competition like normal competition gig. So let's analyze his gig. So she provide in basic package she provide $50 and wedding invitation single sided. In basic he charge in standard he charged $100. In premium he charged $150 for this, and he got 139 5-star reviews and one order in queue, and she's Fiverr choice. So that's great. So as you see, there is a demand of the skill, and let's design the wedding card invitation. So I'm going to Canva for designing this. Canva is very easy and handy to use. If I use Photoshop, then it will take a lot of time, but in Canva we can create in some minutes. So here I write for wedding invitation. You uh, you have to get the size detail of the wedding card from your client. So this so I will select one of the, like this one, and it's look good. This is a one-sided card, and if I want to change the color, I want to change the style of this card. Yeah, it's look good. And if you want to change something like name John Mac, and you can also change this name and other details. Get the details from your client and your card is ready in 1 or 2 minutes, and deliver this to your client. So that's it. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.